Welcome back to another session of server-side programming. In this part, we'll discuss about how to configure RDS server and RDS के हेल्प से हम Dreamweaver को कैसे कनेक्ट करेंगे. What will be the steps that we use to connect Dreamweaver with RDS server? Okay. So just open ColdFusion Administrator. Then in ColdFusion Administrator, go to Security segment. In Security segment, you will get RDS. Click on RDS. हमने RDS सर्वर पहले भी इनिशिएट किया था, but still what we require to check whether it is working or not, and secondly we have to confirm that it should work. Okay, then secondly go to यूज़र मैनेजर, क्योंकि आप कभी भी नहीं चाहेंगे कि एंटरप्राइज में सभी यूज़र्स को एक ही यूज़र नेम पासवर्ड दे दिया जाए. So what we do here is we create a user here. For example, I have gone to add user. Now I have added a user here for RDS type of services. I'm putting the username as VLRN underscore RDS1. Okay, now the password for this user, and then click on allow RDS. If you want to allow administrative access, you can select the administrative rules also. Now RDS आपने अलाउ किया. अब आप चाहते हैं कि यूज़र को RDS में कौन सा पर्टिकुलर फोल्डर या कौन सी पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्टरी प्रोवाइड की जाए. फॉर दैट यू कैन सेलेक्ट हियर फाइल और फोल्डर पाथ. Just click here on browse server, select here slash, then var slash www, and in this www select HTML, then vlearn. Okay, this was the page on which we were working. So we have selected the same page, and here we want to give all access to the user. Add user पे click किया. This is a kind of RDS user, and we have recently created it just for RDS purposes. Now come back to this Dreamweaver. Just I am starting it from the beginning. In Dreamweaver, we have opened the settings of RDS server, that's why it was prompting. Now just come back, go to here in sites में से आपको select करना है new site. Then give the name of your site, like I am giving here VLRN demo. Okay, now click on next. Now do you want to use any server side technology? Yes, I want. Then what server side technology? Dreamweaver आपकी बहुत सारी server technology use करता है, but हमें इसमें से ColdFusion चाहिए. Now do you want to put it on your computer, or you want to put it on some remote computer? Here what we do is we have a server on remote site, so that's why we have taken FTP or RDS server. Edit directly on local computer and then transfer it on remote computer. Okay. Now click on next. Then type of server is RDS. Click on settings and here give the IP address of the server. The path, and the username, and the password of the RDS user. After doing all these, just click on next. Now here you have to give the URL of the page by which you can access, like 192.168.56.2/VLRN/filename, and click on test URL to test whether it is working or not. Okay, अगर आपका URL ठीक चल रहा है तो it will prompt, बट इसने कहा कि नहीं ये URL ठीक नहीं चल रहा है, there is some problem, Dreamweaver cannot connect. That means there is some problem, so you have to check whether the firewall is on or not. ठीक है, so आपको सबसे पहले इसमें ये चेक करना पड़ जाएगा कि क्या सर्वर की फायरवॉल खुली हुई है. अगर खुली है तो उसे बंद कर दीजिए. ओके, सो गो टू द सर्वर and on server just write here service IP tables stop. Okay, now IP table service is stopped. That means अब फायरवॉल बंद हो चुकी है, तो नाउ यू कैन एक्सेस. Now just click on next. Now here you can set कि किस कंडीशन में फाइल्स आप अपलोड करेंगे. क्या आप अपलोड मैनुअली करना चाहते हैं या फाइल को शेयर डायरेक्टली करना चाहते हैं. जस्ट अगर आप एनेबल कर देते हैं तो इट विल शेयर डायरेक्टली. Now here we are using a remote server, so for a remote server you can click here on remote view. Okay, now with the help of RDS you can see the code here. जो काम हमने जो VLRN के सर्वर पे किया था, हमने काम कोल्ड फ्यूजन सर्वर जो हमने क्रिएट किया था उस पर जो बनाया था, वो सारा कुछ आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं. एंड दूसरी बात, आप यहाँ पे चाहें तो कोड को एडिट करके वापस अपलोड भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, एंड यू कैन डायरेक्टली रन इट फ्रॉम हेयर ऑल्सो. Now let's understand how we can define a numeric variable. So for numeric variable you don't have to move ahead, just go for the same function, that is cfset, then name equal to variable name equal to value. ओके, न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू होने पे आपके ऊपर चॉइस है, आप इसे डबल कोट्स में रखना चाहते हैं या नहीं रखना चाहते हैं, इट डिपेंड्स. ओके, नाउ So I'm putting just here a statement like the numeric value you have given was I. Okay, now I want to save it on the server side. Just to save it and to move ahead, just click on the upload, yes to all. Okay, perhaps the server is not allowing us to write because the file was created with root user, and we are just editing that file without taking an extra permission. So we have to go to the server and we have to grant additional permission to the user. So I had granted all permissions to the user. Now if you want, you can update it from client side. So now the update is permitted. अब इसको एक बार एग्जीक्यूट करके देख लेते हैं. So come on to your browser, and on browser just write here the IP address of the server, and here you see the numeric value that you had provided is 5. So in this way we can communicate between Dreamweaver and ColdFusion server. That's all for this part. In next part of the session we'll discuss about what are the different types of statements we can give. We'll discuss about if conditions, and we'll discuss about for conditions also. That's all for now. Thank you.